To make template in Capcut. So go ahead and open your Capcut application. Below this homepage is 4 icons: the edit, template, inbox, and me. Now what we need is the template tab, so click on that. In this page, as you can see, there is no display feature that says that we can make our own template. The reason for this is because you need to be a Capcut creator to be able to create your own template. Here on the very top of the template page, you should be able to see announcements from Capcut. So slide that until you see this, "Do you want to be a Capcut creator?" In this page, tap on the button that says "Click here to apply." You will then be directed to this form that you need to answer in order to send your application. As you can see, you are required to do a task so that CapCut will be able to access your skills if you're capable of being a CapCut creator. So just send your sample work in this form and wait for their confirmation that you became a CapCut creator. Now go to Edit, add in the effects, text, filters, and the transitions that you want to be included in your template. After editing, click on the upload icon in the upper right corner of the screen. And as you can see, I don't have the upload as a template button since my account is not yet a CapCut creator. But once you become one, this screenshot that I will show should be available on your screen. So that is how to make template in CapCut. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.